All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. Certain, a specific one. I teach certain words. I know certain skills. I'm writing certain books. I'm writing certain books. We need to choose a certain door. Yeah, a specific one. Okay. Not that one. 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 And not that one. This one. Yes, a certain door. That one. She wants certain colours in her room. I need to speak to certain people. Not just anyone, but a certain person. Yes. Yeah. I am certain. You are certain. They are certain. Certain, yeah. He is certain. She is certain. Certain. It is certain. Yeah. How cool is that? So I am a certain online teacher. Yeah. How cool is that? You are a certain student. Yeah, you're not just any student. You're a certain student. You're a language explorer, really. They are the certain people I have been looking for. Yes, that's the ones they are. He is the he is the certain he is a certain individual that I have been looking for. Yes, she is the certain woman that we need. It is the most certain machine I have built. It will work. Yes. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, very good. Okay. So, we could then say, there was a certain tree there. There was a certain tree that used to be here, but not anymore. It's gone. I'm looking for a certain house. I don't quite see it. Not that one, not that one, not that one, not that one. A certain house. Yeah. He needs a certain medicine soon. We need a specific medicine. Not just any, but we need that one. We need that one. That certain medicine. Yeah. It is important, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Very good. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, certain, a specific one, a certain door. So, can you use certain in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.